Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Smera Healthy Valley from the platform of Rehan Artificial Intelligence Teacher Training Institute Level 1. Welcome to all of you in another Tech Talks review series. Viewers, in this series, I am exploring inspiring TED Talks and sharing the ideas, lessons, and personal reflections that I can take from these talks. So today I am reviewing a very interesting and informative tech talks called What We Are Learning from Online Education by Daphne Collar. Viewers, before begin today TED Talks review, first let me briefly introduce the today's speaker. Daphne Collar is a computer scientist, educator, and one of the pioneers of online education. She has worked to make high quality education accessible to learners around the world through online learning. Her talk makes us think about a very important question: can technology make quality education available to anyone and anywhere? So let's explore this idea. The first idea that really caught my attention is that online education can remove geographical barriers. Viewers, in today's traditional education system, students often have to travel to a specific school, college, or a university. But online learning changes this situation. With an internet connection, a learner can access courses and education resources from almost anywhere in the world. A student who is living in a small town can learn from educators and universities located thousands of kilometers away from him. So, this is one of the most powerful possibilities of online education. Another important lesson of this talk is that ability of online education to reach the large number of learners. Viewers, a traditional classroom has a physical limit, but an online course can potentially reach thousands or even millions of students. This means one high quality educational resource can be shared with people across different countries and cultures. Students can learn together even when they are physically far apart each other. They can discuss ideas, they can share experiences, they can support one another. So the online education is not only about watching a video, it's all about creating a global community of learners. The other idea I found particularly interesting is that technology does not simply more or move traditional education onto a screen. It can actually change how learning happens. Viewers, online platforms can provide videos, quizzes, exercises, discussions, and feedbacks. And students can pause a lesson, they can replay difficult explanations, they can practice questions, they can learn at their own pace. So, this flexibility can be especially helpful because not every student learns at exactly the same speed. Some students need more explanation, others may need quick answers. The other major lesson, which is very important of this TED talk, is that there are talented and motivated students all over the world, but not everyone has access to expensive universities or high quality teachers. Sometimes the problem is not is the lack of intelligence, but it is the lack of opportunity. So online education can help the students to reduce some of these barriers. Viewers, personally, this TED Talks made me reflect on my own learning journey because as a learning about artificial intelligence and education, and much of my learning takes places through digital resources. I can watch educational videos, I can take online courses, I can explore AI tools. So this shows me that education has become much more flexible by online education. Curiosity and technology can help us to continue learning wherever we are. Now we can combine online education with artificial intelligence, the possibilities become even more exciting. AI can support learners by explaining different and difficult concepts in a simple language. They can provide examples, they can practice question. So for teachers, AI can help create lesson plans, quizzes, activities, and educational material. So overall, this is very beneficial for the students as well as for the teachers. Technology can provide information quickly, but teachers provide human connections, encouragement, empathy, and guidance. So, the important takeaway of this learning is that online education can remove geographical barriers. The second one is that technology allow educational resources to reach huge number of learners. The third one is that digital learning can provide flexibility and allow students to learn at their own pace. The fourth one is that online education can create opportunities for people who may not have access to the traditional institutions. And the last one is that technology and AI can support teachers and create more personalized learning experience. So overall, viewers, I found this talk that what we are learning from online education very inspiring and highly relevant to the modern world. Technology has opened educational opportunities that were once difficult or impossible for many people to access. Viewers, but this success is not enough. We also need curiosity, we need discipline, we need good teachers, and we need learners who are willing to keep learning. Viewers, I definitely recommend this TED Talk to teachers, students, parents, and anyone interested in the future of education. Thank you so much for watching this review. This is all about today TED Talks review. See you in the next session soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Be happy, keep learning, and use the AI wisely. Allah Hafiz.